To my younger self, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for your resilience, even during those times when you felt most vulnerable. You faced many difficulties and challenges, yet you persevered, supported by your family's love. There were moments when your heart was broken, and as time passed by, your confidence waned because your childhood was anything but not ordinary. You believed you weren't doing anything right and thought obedience was your only role. Despite all this, you showed incredible strength. You kept moving forward, accepting your fate, and trusting in our Lord's guidance. Your courage and determination is truly inspiring.